Hey y'all, come do my lash clusters with me and I hope y'all enjoy. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Nakaya K-O-K. Hey y'all. So today I got these lashes from TikTok shop today we're going to be trying out. So they're called YOULUCK lashes and they're the short Enchantress. It came with some lashes, some tweezers, cluster remover, and some glue. On the first look, these are so cute. So I'm gonna take the glue. This glue is white. Take the glue and just put that all over my lashes. And I know it's showing up white, but it's gonna dry clear. Not to get the glue on your waterline. I'm gonna go in. I'm a 14. When applying your clusters, it's close to the bottom of your eyelashes as you can, but just do not apply it on that waterline because it's going to irritate your eyes if you apply it there. So just make sure you get it as close as you can and don't apply it on the waterline. And these are so I forgot to mention I'm doing a cat eye, so my inner corner are my shorter lashes, and on my outer corner I'm going to have my longer lashes.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy.
Okay, now I'm going to my 12.
Boy, all I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for. Lay back, let me show you what I do.
Some strong glue. Okay, now I'm going in with my 10.
When I jump out, you jump in. I say all this in my pants. Same way.
Going in with my shortest. These are 8 inches.
Round 2, he want revenge over and over again and again.
So now that I finished this eye, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna seal it.
Your body. Let the way you touch my body.
So now I'm going in and do the same thing over here. I just put some seal on this eyelash and I'm just letting it dry right now. So this is what the lashes are looking like. I really like these clusters because they're really thick and full. You don't have to layer them up like most clusters, and they're easy to apply. And that glue is clear and it dries really, really good. So that's a really strong glue. So I definitely recommend getting these lashes. I'll have it linked below, but y'all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.